Have you ever wondered why, even after taking expensive protein powders and supplements, your muscles still feel weak, your energy low, and your recovery slow? You're doing everything right, but something's missing. Well, here's the truth. You don't need another scoop of synthetic powder. You need something nature already made perfectly for you. A simple nut that can help rebuild and repair your muscles overnight. Your body is a masterpiece that depends on real food, not artificial substitutes. Protein powders may promise quick results, but they often come with hidden downsides: processed ingredients, digestive stress, and wasted nutrients. The key to restoring strength and vitality isn't found in a tub of powder, it's found in what you put on your plate. And today, I'm talking about one of the most powerful, muscle-repairing foods nature has ever created: the humble almond. Most people think that getting enough protein is as simple as scooping powder into a shaker bottle, but that's where the problem starts. These powders might contain protein, but not the kind your body can easily recognize and use efficiently. The human body isn't designed to thrive on isolated synthetic nutrients. It's designed to thrive on whole foods that come with the natural enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that help your system digest and utilize protein properly. When you rely too much on powders, you might be hitting your macro targets, but you're missing the deeper nutritional picture. It's like trying to build a house with bricks but no mortar. You've got the pieces, but they don't hold together the way they should. The result is frustration. You exercise, you eat high protein, yet you still feel tired and sore. Your muscles don't recover quickly, and your progress stalls. Over time, this leads to chronic fatigue, inflammation, and nutrient deficiencies that affect everything from your hormones to your immune system. Protein isn't just about muscles. It's about repairing cells, supporting the liver, maintaining skin and hair, even producing neurotransmitters that affect your mood and focus. When your protein isn't being absorbed properly, you feel it in every part of your body. Most powders on the market are highly processed. They're often heated, stripped, or chemically treated, destroying the natural structure of amino acids and the very enzymes your body needs to break them down. Add artificial sweeteners, gums, and preservatives, and what you're drinking is more of a chemical cocktail than nutrition. Even high-quality powders don't compare to the synergy of real food. Real foods like nuts, eggs, fish, and seeds deliver protein in a matrix that your body instantly recognizes. They contain natural fats, minerals, and antioxidants that make the protein work better. This is the core problem. We've confused more with better. More grams of protein don't mean more strength or recovery if your body can't use it. What your muscles crave isn't just protein, it's bioavailable nutrition. And that's something powders simply can't match. Nature designed food like almonds to deliver protein with everything your muscles need to rebuild efficiently: magnesium for energy metabolism, vitamin E for cellular repair, and healthy fats that reduce inflammation. Once you understand this, it becomes clear that the problem isn't lack of protein, it's lack of real protein from real food. When your muscles don't repair properly, the effects show up in every part of your daily life. You start noticing small things first. Your body feels heavier, your energy fades faster, and simple tasks like climbing stairs or lifting groceries seem harder than they used to be. You might assume it's just aging or stress, but the truth is, your muscles are quietly losing strength because they're not getting the right nutrients to rebuild. This gradual decline doesn't just affect your fitness, it changes how you move, how you feel, and even how you think. Weak muscles mean poor posture, slower metabolism, and reduced stamina. You burn fewer calories, your body holds onto more fat, and your confidence slowly starts to erode. Over time, this ongoing breakdown leads to a condition called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It doesn't happen overnight, but it begins earlier than most people realize, often in your 30s or 40s. Sarcopenia is one of the strongest predictors of long-term health decline because your muscles aren't just for movement, they are your body's largest storage site for glucose and amino acids. When they weaken, your metabolism slows, blood sugar control worsens, and your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular issues rises. Essentially, weak muscles set off a chain reaction that affects nearly every system in your body. The emotional impact is just as real. You might feel discouraged when your workouts don't produce the same results they used to. Recovery takes longer, soreness lingers, and that once motivating progress starts to feel out of reach. But what's really happening is deeper than just exercise performance. Your body's natural repair cycle has been disrupted. Instead of building up stronger tissue overnight, your muscles are constantly playing catch-up, struggling to restore what's lost. The good news is this process is reversible. When you provide your body with real, whole food sources of protein like almonds, you give it the complete nutrition package it needs to repair and regenerate. The nutrients in almonds help restore balance to your muscles, stabilize blood sugar, and support hormone function, all of which are essential for maintaining strength and vitality. By rebuilding muscle, you don't just get stronger, you improve your metabolism, protect your joints, boost your confidence, and enhance your overall quality of life. It's not just about fitness, it's about staying capable, energetic, and independent for years to come. The natural solution to muscle repair doesn't come from a laboratory, it comes from the earth. When you shift your focus from processed powders to whole foods, you give your body exactly what it understands and knows how to use. Among the best of these foods are almonds. These small, nutrient-packed nuts are one of nature's most complete muscle foods. They contain high-quality protein, essential minerals, and healthy fats that work together to nourish your body at the cellular level. The beauty of almonds lies in their balance. They don't just supply protein, they provide everything your body needs to use that protein effectively, something no powder can fully replicate. Almonds are especially rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in energy production and muscle function. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can't properly contract or relax, which leads to cramps, fatigue, and slower recovery. They also contain potassium, which helps maintain electrolyte balance and supports nerve function, ensuring your muscles receive the right signals to perform and rebuild. Vitamin E, another key nutrient found in almonds, acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle tissue from oxidative stress caused by intense exercise or daily physical strain. These nutrients work in harmony, supporting your muscles through every phase of repair, from reducing inflammation to rebuilding strength. Another reason almonds are so effective is their content of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats support hormone production, especially testosterone and growth hormone, both of which are crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Unlike the empty calories in protein powders, the fats in almonds are metabolically active, meaning they help stabilize blood sugar and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. This stability allows your body to focus on healing rather than dealing with inflammation or insulin spikes. When you eat almonds in their natural form, ideally soaked overnight, you're giving your digestive system an easier job. Soaking removes compounds that can interfere with absorption and makes the nutrients more bioavailable. It's a small step that can dramatically increase their benefits. The result is smoother digestion, better nutrient uptake, and faster recovery. So instead of relying on something artificial, turn to what nature designed for strength and healing. Real food doesn't just fill you, it fuels you. Almonds remind us that sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones, waiting quietly in plain sight. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet to start seeing real results. The power of small, consistent habits is what truly transforms your body, and adding almonds into your daily routine is one of the easiest yet most effective steps you can take. Start by incorporating a handful, around 6 to 8 almonds, into your evening routine. Soak them in water overnight to remove the tannins and enzyme inhibitors that can make nuts harder to digest. This simple act not only makes them softer and easier on your stomach, but also unlocks more of their nutrients, allowing your body to absorb them better. When you eat soaked almonds before bed, you're fueling your body with slow, releasing protein and healthy fats that support overnight muscle repair. If you prefer a bit of variety, blend those soaked almonds into a smoothie with unsweetened almond milk, cinnamon, and a touch of sea salt. The cinnamon helps balance blood sugar levels, while the minerals in the almonds help relax your muscles and prepare your body for restful sleep. You can also sprinkle chopped almonds on Greek yogurt or oatmeal in the morning to give your breakfast a protein and nutrient boost that keeps you full and energized for hours. The key is to make it enjoyable and sustainable, something you'll actually look forward to every day. What's powerful about almonds is how they quietly work in the background. Unlike processed protein powders that can spike your insulin or cause bloating, almonds digest slowly and feed your muscles throughout the night. They help repair micro-tears from exercise, reduce inflammation, and improve recovery time. Many people notice within a week that they wake up with more energy, less soreness, and a lighter, more stable feeling throughout the day. It's a change that feels natural, not forced. The simplicity of this habit is what makes it stick. You don't need to count grams or track macros. You're simply returning to the kind of nourishment your body recognizes, real food that works in sync with your biology. Over time, this small nightly ritual can have a profound impact on your muscle tone, energy, and overall sense of vitality. The results don't come from doing more, they come from doing the right things consistently. A handful of almonds before bed might seem small, but it's a small step that delivers big results. Consistency is what separates short-term improvements from lasting transformation. You can eat healthy for a week or take supplements for a month, but without regular habits, your body never has the chance to truly adapt. Building muscle, improving recovery, and maintaining energy all depend on what you do repeatedly, not occasionally. When you commit to small, steady habits, like eating almonds daily, sleeping well, staying hydrated, and keeping your body active, you create a rhythm that allows your body to thrive. The goal isn't perfection, it's persistence. Even small efforts, when practiced consistently, build powerful momentum. Think of your body like a garden. You can't water it once and expect it to bloom forever. It needs care every day, sunlight, water, and nutrients. Your muscles work the same way. If you feed them nourishing food consistently, they stay strong, responsive, and ready to repair. But when you fall back into processed foods or skip real nutrients for quick fixes, that growth slows. The beauty of natural foods like almonds is that they fit easily into your routine. They don't require special timing, fancy preparation, or calorie counting. You just make them a part of your life, one handful at a time. The best part of this consistency is how it compounds. Each good choice supports the next. When you nourish your body well, you sleep better. When you sleep better, your hormones balance. When your hormones balance, you feel motivated to move, exercise, and stay active. That's how health becomes effortless. It stops feeling like discipline and starts feeling like a natural state of being. Over time, this consistency builds a foundation of strength that protects you from fatigue, weakness, and premature aging. If you ever feel discouraged or tempted to skip the habits that make you feel good, remind yourself that your body is always listening. Every meal, every night of rest, every bit of movement sends a signal that says, I'm rebuilding. You don't need to see immediate results to know it's working. The benefits of consistency reveal themselves slowly but stay with you permanently. So, stay patient, stay steady, and let nature do its work. Real transformation doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you show up for yourself every single day with small, intentional choices that add up to big, lasting change. At the heart of every transformation is belief. Belief that small changes matter, that your body can heal, and that you have more control over your health than you've been led to think. The truth is, you don't need to chase every new supplement, powder, or trend that promises faster results. What your body truly needs is already available in nature, waiting for you to trust it. When you choose whole, living foods like almonds over processed alternatives, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're sending your body a message that says, I'm giving you what you were designed for. That message alone shifts everything because your body responds best to real nourishment, not shortcuts. Every time you make a healthy choice, you're casting a vote for your future. Those votes add up. They rebuild your energy, sharpen your focus, and restore the strength that modern habits have slowly taken away. The motivation to stay consistent doesn't come from fear of disease or aging. It comes from feeling the difference real food makes. When you wake up more refreshed, recover faster, and notice your strength returning, that's motivation you don't have to force. It's self-sustaining because you feel better from the inside out. Think of your body as your greatest ally. It's always trying to heal and rebuild, even when you neglect it. The moment you start giving it the right tools, nutrient-dense foods, rest, and movement, it responds almost immediately. You may not see dramatic results overnight, but inside, your cells are working tirelessly to repair, detoxify, and renew. That quiet process is what leads to lasting health. It's proof that healing doesn't come from extremes, it comes from alignment with what's natural. The takeaway here is simple. You don't need complexity to get strong. You need consistency and trust. Trust in your body's design, trust in real food, and trust in the process. Health isn't built on perfection, it's built on awareness and small intentional steps repeated daily. Every handful of almonds, every good night's sleep, every deep breath contributes to your long-term vitality. The motivation to stay on this path grows as you begin to feel what true wellness feels like. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what's right and letting nature take care of the rest.